This is Max Williams with United Real Estate, and today I'm in Eastern Henrico. I'm not too far off of the Mechanicsville Turnpike corridor. Today we're going to take a look at a 3-bedroom, 2-bath renovated rancher. This rancher is located here on a corner lot. We've got a lot of rehab going on here in this area. Directly in the middle of your frame, down towards the end of the block, we've got a big dumpster. And whenever I see a dumpster, I know that that means a rehab is in place, in progress. Next to it, we have a home that was just renovated. Looks really, really good. 2 doors down, we've got a light green door that looks like it's a relatively new rehab. And then about halfway down the block, we've got another home down there that is currently undergoing rehab with a portable toilet in the front yard. That actually is a requirement whenever a contractor is doing some major rehab. The state requires that they go ahead and put that facility in place for the workers. Okay, we've got a dimensional architectural shingles here, vinyl siding. Our wood floors are refinished and look absolutely amazing in this home. We've got a pretty unusual floor plan, and it was the result of a addition that was put on, and I'll show you how I could tell that here as we go in the backyard. Okay, when we come into the family room, really nice and bright. They came in and completely redid this home. We're going to start here to the right. These are going to be our secondary bedrooms on this side of the house. Our hall bath. Notice we've seen that flooring before. In fact, it was just a few days ago we saw that same exact style of flooring. Nice and bright. We've got a fiberglass tub shower enclosure here in this shower. And then the second home in a row we've seen with an amazing view right there from the throne. Okay, our coat closet, conveniently located right there to the hall bath. That is going to be a coat closet. The last one was actually a linen closet, and it's going to be bedroom number 1. Really, really good looking floors here in this home. We do have replacement windows. And this home does have a garage. I know a lot of you are big fans of having that additional space for a garage. So we're going to pop outside and take a look at that once we go through the interior. Straight ahead here to our right, we of course have our newly renovated kitchen. And they did a really nice job here. Kitchen of course includes new cabinetry, backsplash, granite, and all the stainless steel appliances. So you wouldn't have to come in and do any replacement as far as your appliances go. We do have recessed lights too, which is a really nice, modern, clean touch that we're seeing in a lot of these rehabs today. This is going to be our utility room. We've got tile flooring here, side entry, and this home is heated with a gas furnace and gas water heater. I'm sure you already know how to identify those particular appliances. We covered that in the last video, and you can quickly tell. Our laundry is right here in the corner, and that's a washer and a dryer hookup would be right there. Got a little bit of additional storage in here as well. All right, let's check out the master suite. Typically with a rancher like this in this square footage range, you normally don't get a nice dedicated master with a master bath. When this home was built, they didn't really do all of that. So we're stepping into the renovation here at this point. We've got a nice sliding glass door there off to the back. You could get a large bed in here with no problem. One of the other good parts about this renovation was we've got a nice walk-in closet there. Really good size walk-in closet here in the master. And our master bath, we've got double vanity. Really, really good size on this bath as well. Let's take a look at the shower head, see what we got in here. Okay, all right, we can work with that. Nice clean shower, and got a little additional storage right back there, an additional mirror as well. Okay, let's pop outside and see what we have out here with this garage space. I see that they put a window unit here on the garage, which is nice because if you want to spend any time back here in the workshop, you can do so and be nice and cool. We've got fence all the way around here on the rear. So if you have a four-legged friend, you can put them out here and make sure they'll be home for lunch. Okay, this is the workshop portion of our garage. If you remember from last video, I talked about urban barbershops, and I looked around for a minute and I saw this antique chair. I saw the antique soda machine, and then over here I see the fluorescent light and the mirror. And of course that tells me that there's a good chance that somebody may have had a barber's chair sitting right there, and this could have been a makeshift barbershop, believe it or not. We've got the bar there in the back, and I don't know, but there's no telling what kind of activity went on here back in the day when it was a functional barbershop. On the other side is simply a space for a vehicle. There's a vehicle in there. It's a little tight right now because the vehicle's there, so we're not going to pop over there. But this gives you a good idea of what this home has to offer. If you have any questions about this or any other home in the market, my name is Max Williams. It would be my honor to help. I can be reached on Facebook under Richmond Area Foreclosures, on YouTube under my name, Max Williams Realtor. Be sure to like and subscribe if you'd be kind enough. I really appreciate all the kind comments that everyone has been making. Thank you so much. Have a great day.